Hello everyone, welcome. Today I will show you how you can get Canva Pro invitation link for free. So like this, you will find all the feature here are unlocked on this theme. Canva Pro for free. You will find Canva Pro method. So first go to Google and search for this site ustadmaroc.com ustadmaroc.com, like this one, like you see on the screen right here. I'll just go and search on Google here. No, I will just go back. I will just type ustadmaroc.com. You will find the first slash. Here are the results. Let's click the first link, go to this section right here, click, you will find this one. If you are on the phone, you will find this similar, and I will just close this ads, and after that I will scroll down and search for this article. Yes, this is the first article. In the second page you will find Canva Pro free method. Just go and click on this article. You will find this secret word. Here are a video for Arabic people, so I will just go and copy this word, Canva Pro /brand/join. You will just copy all this word right here, and after that go to twitter.com to find the invitation link. So let's try right here. I will just go to the search bar. Here it is. I will just copy paste the word that I just copied from the site, and I will scroll down to find like this link right here. Look at this link. I will just open the first one. Let's see if we have this Canva. No, this is the first one. No. Oh, look, it's not have the access. I will just go and try the other one. Okay, let's go with this link. Alright, that link is working. Congratulations, you have your Canva Pro account for team. Here I have now 2 invitation link. Enjoy your Canva Pro account for free. This invitation link from Canva. See you, and if it work, write it down. Goodbye.